Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
I'm so excited for today's house. It's new construction in the wonderful College Station, built by Camden Homes. We love these homes. I'm just so excited.
Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Beachy Beach.
Britt, I'm so excited. We're standing here in another Camden Homes floor plan.
Absolutely. We're over here in the gorgeous Georgetown model. What I love about these homes is they don't shy away from the extra touches, the luxurious finishes that might be considered an upcharge with somebody else.
Absolutely. You've got quartz countertops, this board and batten, tray ceilings. Oh, but my favorite is typically the jewelry of the home with the lighting. I love that they make every house a little bit different, but you've got that design style and that design eye. Everything is modern in this craftsman style home.
Absolutely. Like you said, they're consistent with their quality and their finishes, but yet every home has its own special character.
It does, and they're affordable. I can't wait to show everybody. Let's go take a look.
Let's go check it out. We're over here in the open concept kitchen into living area of the Georgetown floor plan of this nice new construction Camden home. Can we just talk about the gorgeous kitchen island, deep sinks, quartz countertops, stainless steel, all the extras, and lots of, again, natural light coming into the living area, tray ceilings, all those little extra details that make it special. One of the things that I have noticed about these homes is they don't sacrifice the living, kitchen, dining areas to make the bedrooms bigger. Everything is a nice size for the most part. I absolutely love the thought behind all of their floor plans. Let's go check out Heather and the other end of the house and see what she has to say.
Thank you, Britt. Welcome into this main ensuite. It's massive. And as I mentioned earlier, we've got these tray ceilings that are standard. You've got so much space here for exactly what you would like to do. I love it. But where those design options are really apparent is right here in this main ensuite. Double doors, feels extra grand. You do have your dual sinks, your separate tile shower, and I love that they put a little kiss in their bathrooms with the standalone tub. Whether you use it or not, it's just a cute feature. And there's even a tray in this floor plan right here in the bathroom. The closets are large. This floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 2 being on the other side of the house with a split and 1 being over here, so it could be your office. I absolutely love these design styles. So for more information on this beautiful home, look in the description below for all the finer details.
That's right. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future real estate deals like this one.